So guys, today we will study generation of computer. So there are 5 generation of computers and this is the first. First generation of computers started from 1942 to 1955. Means all those computer made in the between this year are has same kind of things. In first generation of computers, vacuum tubes were used and they are very costly. Vacuum tubes were large in size of the computer of this generation, so that the size of the generation was big. Vacuum tubes was developed in 1906. They are often enormous, taking up entire rooms and consume high electricity. Magnetic drums were used for main memory, and punch card was used for input and output. In this generation, assembly language and machine language were used. If the question in exam come and asked what is used in first generation, and you will find an option with vacuum tubes, go and mark it. It will be correct. Vacuum tubes used for processing, and magnetic drums were used for main memory. Punch cards was used for input and output. And then if they ask what kind of language were used in first generation, the answer is assembly language and machine language. So what are the examples of the first generation? CEAC, ENIAC, EDSEC, EDVEC, UNIVAC, IBM 701. These computers were made between these year. So what are the UNIVAC, EDVEC? Let's study these two. So ENIAC stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. It was invented in University of Pennsylvania, USA by J. Prosper Eckert and John Macaulay in 1946. So the question can become as who invented, from which university, like this. It was the first programmable electronic digital computer, means it can be programmed. The program can be, and after this computer consists of wall, fan, position, ring, counter and vacuum tubes. This see the characteristic is similar. Vacuum tubes means first generation. EDSEC stand for electronic delay storage automatic calculator. In this computer they were doing calculations and everything, but their storage wasn't there. Then they made EDSEC, electronic delay storage automatic calculator. It was developed by Maurice Wilkes and his team, University of Cambridge. It was Pennsylvania, USA. It is Cambridge Mathematical Laboratory in England. It was from USA. It is from England. And EDSEC was the first electronic digital store program computer of the world. You get it? EDVEC. It stands for Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. It was invented by John von Neumann. In 1950, John von Neumann gave stored program concept in which program and data to be processed are stored in the same memory. So it is kind of similar like this, but it has some processing and saving is also in the same time. A computer system that stores instruction and data from single memory unit without distinction is based on the Neumann architecture. UNIVAC stands for Universal Automatic Computer. It was the first business computer. It was used in offices, banks, etc. So we have completed first generation and we will study second generation in next video. Keep with me and we will complete 5 generation very fast. Thank you very much.